Hello to all traders. In this video, I will teach you a harmless strategy full of profits. This strategy is combined with 3 indicators, and the win rate is very high. I will eliminate all violations of this strategy during training. So watch the video carefully until the end, and do not push forward in any way. Because I will say very important points, which will ultimately benefit you. Okay, dear traders, let's learn this powerful scalping strategy. First of all, we change the chart candlesticks to Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. Okay, let's learn how to use this strategy in your trading. When the parabolic SAR indicates a buy or sell signal, you should first look at both EMA lines. For example, here the parabolic SAR indicator issued a sell signal. Whenever the candle was below the EMA line, this signal is valid. In this case, I will open a selling position. I place the stop loss on the line EMA. For the profit margin, I set it there when candle crosses the EMA line upwards. This buy signal is invalid because the candlesticks are below both EMA lines. Here again the sell signal is issued and the candlesticks are below both lines EMA. I will open a selling position here again. This time you can put the profit margin where the buy signal indicator is issued. We lost a lot of profit here, but the rules of strategy cannot be violated, because in the end it ends up at a loss. We do the same for the buy signal. Let's give an example. Here the candlesticks are above both lines EMA. Whenever our indicator issues a buy signal, we enter the trade. I put the stop loss below the EMA line, and we put the profit margin where the parabolic SAR indicator issues the sell signal. It issued a buy signal here again, but this signal is not valid, because the candlestick is below the small EMA line. But here the buy signal is valid because the candlesticks are located above both lines EMA, and have an upward slope. We set the profit margin where the candlestick closes below the small EMA. Or exit the trade when the parabolic SAR indicates a sell signal. Okay, we got to the important part of this strategy. The market does not fluctuate here and candlesticks move in range. All strategies and indicators fail at these points without exception, and emit false signal. We use the help of another indicator to eliminate the false signals and escape from the range market. I did not come like other channels to select the good parts of the chart beforehand, to show you. I came here to show you the real chart. I try to increase the strategy win rate 100% by combining powerful indicators. I will add an indicator to the chart, and during the video, I will teach you important points from this indicator. So watch the video carefully until the end. Let's add the indicator to the chart. Search for CCI here. Click this name and add it to your chart. Well, after adding it to the chart, we will go to the indicator settings and change its settings. From the inputs section, we change the number 20 to 40. In this part, we change this dashed line to a smooth line and whiten its color so that it can be seen more clearly. The CCI indicator is ready. Now I show how powerful this indicator is. The way to get a signal from CCI is that when the blue CCI line crosses the white horizontal line from the top to the bottom, it means that it is a sell signal. This is the first type of sales signal. I will tell you the second type now. Here is the second type of sales signal. If the blue CCI line crosses down again from the lower horizontal white line, it will send a sell signal. Let's also teach how to get the buy signal by CCI. Here, too, whenever the blue CCI line crosses the white horizontal line upwards, it issues a buy signal. Crossing the upper horizontal line upwards also issues the second type of buy signal. We have reached the important part of this strategy. How to fix false signals of this strategy with CCI indicator. Only 2 of the signals are valid here, because the CCI indicator has only twice confirmed the buy signal. Here the indicator on the chart issues the buy signal, and CCI confirms this signal, so in fact this signal is completely valid. We set the profit margin target exactly where CCI is down the white horizontal line. Here the indicator on the chart and both lines EM issued a buy signal. If we enter the trade we will face a loss. But the CCI indicator does not confirm the buy signal, and this signal becomes invalid. Here, both indicators sent a buy signal, but CCI did not confirm this at all and the signal is not valid. Implement these principles of strategy and you will not lose in any way. The important thing is how to get out of a profitable deal with this strategy. Here the sell signal indicator is issued and CCI has confirmed this signal. I am opening a sales position here. Let's go one step further. Here it gives the second confirmation signal. I will continue trading. Yes, the very important point here is that right here the CCI indicator shows the exit point of the trade. I draw a vertical line at exactly the same point, so that the exit point of the position is completely clear. I set the profit limit exactly on this candlestick. We got R2R3 from this trade, it was a significant profit. Here, too, we enter the deal exactly as the sales signal is issued. According to the previous position, we find the profit limit through the CCI indicator. And we get out of this sell deal with a profit. This is the best type of trade with CCI indicator. This is the best scalping strategy on the internet, because it is tested in a real chart in front of your eyes. Now let me show you the most important part of this strategy. I test the CCI indicator alone and without combining it with other indicators. The CCI indicator issues the buy signal here. I draw a vertical line at that point, and open a buy position. Now let's see when the CCI indicator gives us the exit signal from this position. Exactly here the exit signal was issued. Let's test this strategy in another currency, then introduce the indicators. Let's test this strategy with Bitcoin chart with CCI indicator. See that this CCI indicator alone is a powerful strategy. Here is the market now and CCI has issued a buy signal. Has not sent an exit signal yet. Here, both indicators issued a sell signal. Here CCI signals the exit from the sell position. Here, both indicators have issued a buy signal. The CCI indicator here gives the exit signal that led to the profit. I will test a few trades with this strategy, so that you can see with your own eyes that the winning rate of this strategy is 100%. Okay friends, I think you fully understand how this strategy works and how powerful and profitable it is. Well, let's add the indicators to the chart. We search for the first indicator parabolic SAR. Be sure to add this indicator to the chart. I apply changes from the indicator settings. In the inputs section, I change the number 02 to 007. In the style part, we disappear the parabolic SAR color. In the inputs section, turn off these two options to calm the chart. I also add the EMA indicator to the chart. Click this, EMA 3, and add it to the chart. Turn off the first option, which is 10, from the style settings. Then in the inputs section, Change the number of the second option from 50 to 18, and the next option is 200. In the style part of the EMA indicator, I change its colors and make it a little thicker so that it can be seen more clearly. I already added the CCI indicator to the chart. I will add it to the chart again so that you can learn its settings well. Encourage me to continue working by liking this video. If you are entering our channel for the first time, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. Next video I have a special surprise for you. Wait for the next video. I suggest you watch this video, because there is a very profitable strategy inside that video.